So years later, Scentbird is still awesome. Hey Fragrance family, I'm Dave with the Fragrance Bros, of course your best source for everything fragrance related. Today we're doing a video on something that I've mentioned before, and that's Scentbird. Now a couple years ago I did a video about Scentbird and their products and their service, and I really liked them then. But recently they contacted me again to ask if I would do another video about them, and I would love to, because I love the service of Scentbird. so today we're gonna do another video about Scentbird. Some of you may not have even heard about Scentbird. Maybe you're new to my channel and you haven't seen my previous video. And maybe you want to know maybe some new things that Scentbird has done since the beginning. Scentbird has expanded their line. Now they have over 150 colognes for men, over 450 perfumes for women. So that's huge. So what is Scentbird? Well, Scentbird solves a couple of problems that we encounter when we want to experience a fragrance. One thing that I've mentioned a million times in this channel is that I hate talking to sales associates most of the time. Now, there are some sales associates that are great, and if you're one of those sales associates, good. And if you find one of those sales associates, great. But one of the things I really hate are perfume counters, because a lot of the sales associates either don't know what they're talking about, they're really pushy, and they just hover over you. So I don't really like that type of environment trying a fragrance. Most of the time I just want to try a fragrance and I don't want to buy something right away. The other problem too is maybe you buy a fragrance and you end up you don't like it like you thought you did because you didn't spend enough time with it, or maybe you just tried it on paper and you didn't take it home. Scentbird is a subscription service where you try a fragrance for a month. You choose one of their fragrances from their line, which they have something like 600, 700 fragrances right now. Here's the case that it comes in. First off, I love the case. This is great because it's really portable. You can put it in your pocket or your purse or your gym bag or wherever you want to go. It's really great. It twists open like that and then you just spray it on. Now these are actually refillable, meaning that you can just take out the top right here and then here is your actual fragrance right here. The side has the name right here. This one is Nuit de Megèves by 8 & Bob, which is a great spicy vetiver fragrance, which I'm gonna wear today. I'm gonna put that on in just a second here. Now, as I said before, this is a month supply. This is 8 mils. And I think that's a reasonable amount for a month's supply. Your mileage may vary depending on how much you spray, but I think for the average person, 8 mils for a month's supply is very reasonable. And here it is compared to just a store sample that you can get. The price on this is just 15 bucks a month, which is a fantastic deal. That is a really good deal for something that you can try for a long time before you actually buy it and spend the money on it. So great price. Now, since my last video about Scentbird a couple of years ago, they've done a couple of new things. Of course, they've expanded their line, which I've alluded to before, and they've actually allowed you to buy more than just one fragrance. Before, it was just kind of just one fragrance at a time, but now you can get up to 3 at a time, which is really cool. So of course, they sent me 3. And I'll go over the other 2 in a minute. And these are really cool because they're different colors. And before, I don't believe I knew that there was more than one color because I just got one. And I believe it was just the black before. So that's pretty cool. Now, as for the scents that I got, Nuit de Megèves is a great vetiver scent. It's very spicy and balmy. And actually, I want to wear this today because it's really great. Next, I got Encre Noir Sport by Lalique, which is another great vetiver scent, but it's really sporty and more fresh and more vibrant with a lot more citrus on top. Really great fragrance. This actually really surprised me. This is a good one. And my last choice is Bulgari Aqua Amara, which is another really good one. Very aquatic with some oregano in there. And the oregano is actually pretty prominent, which is nice in this. Very interesting fragrance. I like it a lot. Now those are the 3 that I chose, but they have a ton of fragrances and a lot of really good fragrances too. They have a large supply of mainstream designer fragrances like Gucci and Dolce & Gabbana and Bulgari, etc. But they also have a lot of niche fragrances as well. They have Amouage, Histories de Parfum, Montal, a lot of different other ones in there. So definitely go check them out. They have something for you in there. So a large number of fragrances. So all in all, Scentbird is still rocking. They're doing a great job and I really recommend them to you, especially because I don't believe that people should blind buy whole bottles of fragrances. I really think that you need to try a fragrance on your skin for a good amount of time to see if you really like it. You can't just try a fragrance on paper and then buy it right there and think that you're gonna love it when you get home. That just doesn't work. So I really like this experience of having to try it at home without any kind of pushy sales associate, and it's really inexpensive. So yeah, Scentbird is still awesome. The best part about this though is that Scentbird is giving me a coupon code for you guys for 30% off. I'll have a link down below to them where you can go sign up, get 30% off your first purchase there. And for full disclosure, Scentbird is sponsoring this video, but I could not recommend them more. I really think that everyone who is looking for a good fragrance for them needs to try Scentbird. Definitely go check them out. And for 10 bucks now, you gotta try it. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think of Scentbird down in the comments down below. Let me know what you chose from Scentbird, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on your way out. I'll love you for it. I'll see you next time. I'm Dave with the Fragrance Bros. Bye. Thanks everyone for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to check out my other channel, Beast Made Reviews, where me and a friend review high quality products for men. You might like it. Go check it out.